PFC.
No, Max, what are you telling my fam?
Full wings, yeah?
Yeah.
See, PFC, you get full wings.
Wait, Max actually trying to say he's picking PFC.
PFC, bro. PFC.
Is that right?
Nah, PFC.
What's PFC? Perfect fried chicken.
What the fuck is PFC, bro?
Perfect fried chicken.
I'm talking about fucking PFC, bro. Bro, because Raz guy Morley's, bro. You see the red sign right there, fam? Get me, man's talking about fucking PFC, bro. The fuck? Guys, I can't even lie, yeah. Might be at the new best Morley's still. Might be at the new best Morley's, bro. Morley's in Surrey Keys. Look at this menu. Deal 1 and 2, mad thing. Now look. Look at this. They got a Rio as well, ginger beer. Not those dead drinks the other ones have. Guys, the Morley's meal has just come. Deal number 2. Can you see it? This is where yeah, deal number 2. Chips, burger. Box number 2.